Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atineke. So today I'll be showing you all how I achieve this DIY crisscross with eye braided bun using Brazilian wool. You can see what I'm doing. I'm sectioning my hair. I've already shown you what I'll be using to lay the hair down very well when crisscrossing. That is my shine and jam. Now I'm going to section the first part. Then I'll apply shine and jam to the line I section so that the hair won't join together again after I want to section the second part. So you can see I'm going to section the second part because I'm going to be crisscrossing the both together. I will apply my shine and jam on the second part I crisscross. Now we are going to start doing the crisscrossing. This is the first line. I will section a little bit, then I'll apply my shine and jam. I'll use elastic band to hold it down. Then I'll do the same thing to the second part I section also. I'll section a little bit on the same line. Then I'll use my elastic band to hold it down before I start crisscrossing the boats. So I like you guys to keep on watching so that I can grab one or two. If I have any other thing to say, I'll come back to tell you guys, to explain to my amazing subscribers. This is the method I love using for my crisscrossing. It worked perfectly fine for me. After I use a rubber band to hold the second part down, I won't release my hand from the rubber band. I'll take the first one I'll take the first one I bond down, then I'll hold it together. I'm going to explain for you guys to understand very well. You can see I'm going to use a rubber band to hold it down. After I'm using the rubber band, I won't drop it. You can see I use the rubber band to hold the one at the front down. I'll join it together to each other. This method really works so well for me. So I'm sharing with you guys. If I can do it as I did say, you can do it much better with you practicing. So now I'm moving to the back. So I'll do the same method to the back. I'll crisscross. I achieve 3 crisscross at the back. That is 6. So you are going to see what I'm saying. I just want to section my hair. I will section it. Then I'll start crisscrossing. So after I'm done crisscrossing all the hair, I'm going to be using my edge control to lay the front of my head down. Now we are going to be applying echo styling gel to the tip of the hair so that it's very easy for me to braid down. So now this is the Brazilian wool we are using. I didn't count the amount of Brazilian wool I use. I didn't count. So you don't really need a lot of Brazilian wool because we are going to be wrapping this round. It depends on the volume you want. After I'm done braiding it down, I'm going to wrap it around as if I want to form a bantu knot. I'll keep wrapping it, but when I finish wrapping it, I didn't really get the volume I want. I wanted it to be high. I want a high bond. So I took another section of Brazilian wool, a little bit. It was not much like the first one I used. I don't want to use a rubber band to form the knot, so I used Brazilian wool to tie it. Then I tie it around on the first bond I did. After I'm done tying it, I'm going to braid it down. So now you can see I'm wrapping the second one underneath the first one I wrap. So as I wrap, that one is going to push it up. I hope you understand it. That is all. Just trim off the excess. So this is the final look of this lovely DIY crisscross hairstyle. This hairstyle came out so beautiful. This is the back. I didn't show the back towards the end, so I decided to show you guys the back now. So I added a little bit of spice. This is bead. I just put the bead inside the needle and thread. Then I sew it around my hair. I didn't show that part because it's an easy DIY. So this is the final look of the hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, can you please subscribe to my channel? And if you like what you are seeing, if you want to see more of this lovely tutorial, if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, turn on notification bell so that I can be notified anytime I upload. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always.